Hey guys, welcome. So today I'm going to be doing a travel haul slash travel unboxing. I've actually never done one of these on my channel before and I'm super excited about it. I have currently 2 trips planned for the rest of 2021, but there may be possibly a third thrown in there depending on what happens. But I wanted some new travel gear, knowing that we do have a trip coming up in just over a month. And I decided, you know what, I'm gonna buy myself a couple things. So today we're doing a travel haul slash unboxing from a UK slash London based company called Mia Tui. They do really cool handbags and travel accessories and different things like that. And what's really cool, which I love, is this is how it came packaged. It came in a mailer and then it had this wrapped around it. So you kind of get an extra bag on top of it. Now, I purchased their travel bundle, which I will link everything down below. Their travel bundle comes with, you get to pick the main bag and then you can add on either a packable backpack, a packable tote bag, and then you can add on packing cubes. And I think there's another thing that you could pick up, like packing cubes or something else, but I can't remember what it is. I went for the travel tote bag and the packing cubes, and I will show you guys everything I got. So the main bag that I purchased is the Jennie. This is their larger tote bag. Sorry, I'm throwing things. This is the Jennie. So this is the Jennie. This is their largest tote bag. I think it was, yes, so their Jennie tote bag is 55 pounds, which is like $75. And then I got the other tote bag and the packing cubes for free along with this. So this is the metallic gray shade. It's not actual leather, but it feels like really nice. On the back, which is one of the reasons why I bought this bag, it has a zipper pocket. Oh, I didn't realize it was tucked in there. And the zipper has like a little star on it. So there's a zipper pocket that you could put like a passport or whatever in there, your phone. And then there's a trolley strap, meaning you can like put this over top of your luggage, which is one of the main reasons why I bought this bag. This is my first time seeing the bag in person, and I'm super impressed with the quality of it. It feels really nice. On the bottom, there's actually feet in all 4 corners as well as the middle, so it'll sit up on there so you don't have to worry about the bag getting like all roughed up on the bottom of it, which is super nice. The hardware is all silver. There is the shoulder straps, as well as there's a place to connect a like a bag to make it like a crossbody bag. And on the inside, this is another reason why it is an awesome bag. First of all, one of my requirements for travel bags is that it zips on the top. And the inside, even though it's a large bag, it's bright blue, so you can't lose anything in it. So inside, you have the crossbody strap for the main bag. And you also have 2 additional bags. So you have like a little clear bag that you could use if you're using it on a plane. You could put your toiletries in here. If you're going to an event where they only allowed clear bags, you could put, this could be like your little clutch. It's a little clutch strap, which is nice. It's just connected to the zipper, and it's super flat, so you could stuff it, or you could leave it super flat and like you could put wipes in this, whatever you wanted. I read a lot about this brand online, and apparently this Jennie bag is very common as a diaper bag. Then you get this little bag inside, and inside this little bag has a wrist strap, so you can either make this a clutch, or how I will probably use it is a crossbody bag, so you can make it like a little crossbody purse. And I actually am hoping, oh yeah, so I'll be able to bring my camera in the bag. It's a really good size clutch, and it's perfect for like if you're at the airport and you're like running to go get coffee. And even the little bag just has a blue interior, which is nice. and it's the same color as the Jennie. It's that metallic gray. So that is super cool. We are now going to look at the interior of the bag. On the inside, there are about a bajillion compartments. There are numerous pockets. There are not one, but 2 water bottle holders, which I appreciate. And they seem a little bigger than normal water bottle holders, which is nice. There is a D-strap, so you can clip your keys to this, or you could clip like this bag or the little clutch inside if you wanted to like keep it all connected. And there's a couple slip pockets that have snaps on them, so you can adjust how full or empty that pocket is. And there's a large zipper on the inside as well. So this bag is going to come in super handy. Oh, there's even another pocket. There's a phone pocket with some pen places. Wow, this thing has so much storage. I'm super excited to use this for my trip. I will show you guys. I've already decided I'm going to do a packing video, so I'm very excited to show you guys that. Now let's jump into the other bag. So one of the free items I got to pick is either the tote bag or the backpack. I went with the tote bag. I have quite a few travel backpacks that like pack into themselves, so I decided, you know what, no, I'm just gonna go with a tote bag. I went, and it comes like in a little like clear plastic. The big Jennie bag did not come in any plastic, but it was in the reusable this bag. So this is the, I believe this is called the Alex. Yes, this is the Alex. What's really nice is that there are instructions on it. Come on, focus. Yeah, on how to fold it back up. It is not very big, and it's sort of like a, online it looked more shiny, like it looked more like a silky type of material, but it's definitely more of like a canvasy bag. So when you unzip it, that little zipper pocket it's packed in becomes a little front pocket, and this is what it looks like. So you have that little front compartment, which is what the bag was originally packed into. And even this bag has a Velcro trolley strap, which is nice if you're on your way home from a trip and you bought too much stuff. You could either put it in here, you could put dirty clothes in here, because it's sort of like a canvasy material, so I think it would wipe nice and clean. On the inside, it's not a lining, but it's like a whitish shade. It's the inside of the material. There are no pockets on the inside, but that is okay, because this is going to be the bag that you just kind of like throw everything in. This will be our, we shop too much, let's toss it in this bag for at least one of our trips. And then the third item, which was also free with the purchase of my Jennie, is packing cubes. And like I said, I feel like they had something else you could have picked from, but I don't remember what it is. I'll leave the information on how to do the travel bundle and the link to the website down below. I'm super excited for these items. Now I'm the person who thinks you can never have too many packing cubes. I have like 2 different sets of we use when we travel, as well as now this one. And we got this in the navy polka dot. I don't know if I mentioned, but the tote bag, this is the Alex in the navy star. So the navy polka dot, so you get 1, 2, 3, 4 packing cubes, ranging from small, and I'm gonna kind of open these up so you can get an idea. Sometimes I find packing cubes are hard to tell how much is actually in them. Okay, so this one's sort of smaller, not very thick. This is what I might use for like phone chargers. It's not very big, but you feel like you could probably put a lot in here. I definitely use this for phone chargers, and all of these packing cubes have a handle on them, which I appreciate. So I might slide this down into my Jennie with travel stuff, external battery, different things like that. Now this slightly larger one, I'm gonna call this one a medium. This one's definitely thicker. Oh yeah, definitely thicker. This is probably like 2 inches deep. As you can tell, there's actually like, the other one was more flat, where this one has sides to it. Actually where the handle is might make it easier to see. Yeah, this I might pack like a little travel outfit in it. Just, I always like to travel with an extra outfit in case I spill something on myself or we get stuck somewhere or anything like that. This one I'm gonna call the large. That's what I would use as a large if I was like packing a suitcase. Same thing, nice. Same girth as that one before it. It's pretty, seams are, that's about 3 inches wide. You can get a better idea of how wide it is kind of by this strip. 2 to 3 inches wide. And then the large one is, or extra large, it's huge. I think it might be the same size as the Alex, honestly. Let's see. So it's very similar size to the Alex. It is not as wide as the Alex, but it is longer than the Alex, which is pretty interesting. You can fit a ton in here. I find I have a hard time using packing cubes this size. When I'm traveling, I'm like, I just do for whatever reason. But what I might actually use this giant size for is storage. So putting sweaters in this, like under the bed or anything like that. But I'm super excited to start traveling again. I am planning on doing some packing series for you guys and what I'm bringing series, so I'm very excited. Leave any questions or comments you have down below. Let me know what your favorite travel item is. I love looking at travel gear, so it's right up my alley. But yeah, leave any other questions or comments you have down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow along with me on my social media. And I'll see you guys next time. And this is Bridget's Buzz.